cauliflower. I just gotta get it all out because you need all the mayo. The gooey poupon. Boom! My timer went off. You know what that means? You ready? Let's eat some cauliflower. Hey everyone, Busy Mommy here, and we're gonna make a roasted cauliflower, like a cheesy, kind of like a scalloped potato, Parmesan garlic cauliflower. I miss my scalloped potatoes, I love them, and so I wanted to do something with cauliflower because I know how good it is for you, and honestly we use it for rice, we use it for everything, but I think we can maybe do a little fun recipe. So let's make this. Now here's what you're gonna need. A full head of cauliflower. I need you to get a pot of water boiling, so do that, I'll wait. Or maybe while you're waiting, you should like, subscribe, and comment. I'm just saying. Maybe a little like, a little subscribe. And if you're already subscribed to the Busy Mommy channel, what do you want to see next? Because I'm ready to make you guys whatever you want. Because I love it, I missed you guys. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the inside of the cauliflower out, not all of it, just enough. Now I have already rinsed this. So you're gonna rinse it, but you're gonna throw it into a boiling pot of water. All right, you're gonna put it on a boiling pot of water for about 5 minutes. So you know what I'm gonna use to set my timer. So I would mute yourself, I'm about to tell her. You ready? Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes. I know, I probably set yours off if you didn't mute it, but we're back. You're good to go now. While that's going, we're gonna make the mixture that's gonna go on top. So here's what you need. 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. It looks like beautiful snow. This is fresh from the farmer's market. Everything I got today is actually from the farmer's market, which is amazing. So 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mayo. I actually buy the avocado mayo. It's actually really good. And then I'm gonna add a little bit over half of a tablespoon of garlic because I love garlic. And then we want to add a little bit of a kick. You don't have to add this, and you don't have to have, if you don't have a gooey poupon, you can use whatever mustard you want. I like to add a little bit of this because I think it adds kind of like a briny flavor that's nice. Please don't come at me if anybody knows where I live, all right? I'm from Chicago. I've been here my whole life, and I don't like mustard on hot dogs. I like ketchup on hot dogs. I know, don't get mad at me. I get a hot dog Chicago style minus mustard, add ketchup. So if you don't know what Chicago style is, it's a hot dog and it basically has exploded peppers, tomato, celery, salt, mustard typically, relish, onions, and I typically get it the same way. Everything like that, except I don't get the mustard and I add ketchup, and people look at me like they're mad at me, but I'd say that was a little less than half a tablespoon of mustard, and you're gonna mix it all together. Now, you can add salt if you want, but I don't think we're gonna need salt because the mayo has salt, everything has salt. I am, however, gonna add some pepper to this just to give it, but this is what your slurry should look like. And then we're gonna add some, guys, I can't get it open. Some pepper. Really do however much you want. I like a good amount of pepper, so I'm gonna put a good amount in there. And then we're gonna mix her up. And as soon as that baby comes out of the boiling pot, we're gonna put this on top. That's it. You just put this on top and you bake it. And there you have it. So, all right, I'm gonna clean this up and you're gonna, you know what, let's talk. How have you been? You should rate me below because I haven't talked to you in a while and I miss you guys. So how have things been for you and your family, and for yourself? How have you coped with everything? Just know that we're here for you. I am proud of you. I love you and I'm thankful for you, and I look forward to continuing making stuff with you and doing some cool videos with maybe one of you in them, because I would love to do a Zoom cooking video with one of you. I think I'm gonna do that soon. So let me know below if you'd want to be a co-host on Busy Mommy and we can make something fun. All right, back to cleaning up and getting this ready for you, because I know what you want is the recipe. Boom! And like that, you got cauliflower. Look at that steam. All right, so I have this nifty pan. You don't need a pan like this. You can put it on a cookie sheet, put it on whatever, not a big deal. I just went and got a lot of really cool pans and so that the money handler for Busy Mommy doesn't get upset, aka my husband. I'm gonna use it in a video today, so woo! This is a roaster pan. I like it because it's not gonna like let the juices sit at the bottom. So I have my oven preheated at 375, and I'm just gonna lather this baby up. And it is gonna be delicious. I'm trying to get it in like the nooks and crannies, you know? Get it in there. So I think, because I wanna make sure I get it on the inside as well, I'm gonna take my knife, I'm gonna take some of my filling and burn myself, just kidding, but I'm gonna put it on the inside here. Put it all over. I mean, you can obviously make a little less filling if you wanted, but like, why? All right, so that is on it. I'm gonna move this away, and then we're gonna bake at 375 for 25 minutes, all right? Be back. My timer went off. You know what that means? Stick it out of the oven. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. You ready? Let's see what happens. It just melts off, but I want to take a nice piece. This is gonna be really hot, guys. This is where it's at. It is creamy, tasty, salty, doesn't make me miss potatoes. And you know what? So you could bake it a little longer and make it like mushy, like a little lower at like 350 for like 35, 40 minutes. But I like the integrity where I can have like a little bit of a bite. Let me know if you try this. This will go great with like pork chops, with steak, with anything. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you try it, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What? You're not supposed to watch me eat? That's rude. You can go now. Bye.